Hi, welcome back to DragonEye's kitchen. Today I will be making very delicious chilaquiles rellenos with shredded beef and queso Oaxaca. And if you want to know my recipe, you're in the correct zone.
We will be seasoning the sirloin steak. We will be searing our meat before braising it. This will bring out the flavors of the meat, and it will also make it more tender inside the crock pot. I will be adding 6 garlic cloves inside the crock pot, and I will be adding 1/3 of an onion and approximately 4 laurel leaves. Once our steak is seared, it is ready to braise inside the crock pot. We will be using the leftover beef broth and add it inside the crock pot. Add 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of steak seasoning, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon.
Este es chile California. Pasilla molida, gran pasilla. And this is really more for color. For 7 hours.
It will be on high heat.
The shredded beef is ready. It's so tender, so delicious. So we're going to be using tomatillo, okay, chiles serranos, mix it. And you see how nice and beautiful this is. Look how nice and beautiful this is. Okay. The Oaxaca cheese will melt into your mouth very deliciously. Okay, it's so cheesy. And then we're gonna get a shredded beef. So delicious. So soft. This is just going to be a very soft and delicious bite that you will take in your life. It's going to be so flavorful. Okay, there you go. See? Now we're going to do our triangle method here. Now you close this critical you do it this way. The reason why is because you will get a very thin layer of the masa, which will be so much easier to take apart. Okay, you do it any other form, you can risk the chance that it will be very thick, and that will be very hard. Anyways, leave it up like a. And once you take that bite, you will want to continue eating. So we want to have a smooth sauce. Creamy. Okay, so look how creamy it is, and it's very smooth. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of chicken bouillon sauce. This sauce is ready. This is so delicious.
Oh wow.
So good.
Can't say better. No way. This is so delicious.
Mira. Ay, qué lindo.
He tried to do